everyone. My name is Patricia Amor from Comaling. So I'm already here third year, Bachelor of Secondary Education in General Science student, no? And I have been volunteering in XCNSP for the past 3 years already. This is my third year, and I am currently teaching the learning strand in Filipino. So during I first entered XCNSP in my first year, and it was on the online mode of learning. So it was very hard for me, especially that I did not get to see my students and not actually get to teach them in a face-to-face mode. However, it was one of the most meaningful parts of my journey as an education student, because I really saw the hardships of being a teacher, and I also saw the hardships of being a learner in their own context. So the values that I got during teaching was that the first thing is to be really thankful for the things that I already have, because in the context of our learners, where some of them were really not that lucky not to be placed in a life where everything would be given to them in a silver pattern. So I was really thankful that somehow I was in a place where I could grow. At the same time, another value that I got from them was the value of being joyous despite of the types of challenges that they continue to face, as learners in young age. It really motivated me to actually do my best and to actually apply the matches in me, because there is so much more that I could give to them to actually help them to be persons that they really love to be, and to be persons who are also willing to serve. So in the season of Christmas, I'd like to quote our very famous Jesuit which he said that stay in love, to stay in love, know your passion, to stay who you are, because love can take us to places that we've always wanted to be. So Merry Christmas everyone, and may you have a great holiday season.